How gummy candy is made. Gummy candy, renowned for its versatility, is a delightful confection made from a blend of gelatin, sweeteners, flavorings, and colorings. Its ability to be molded into an endless variety of shapes has made it one of the most adaptable candy products available. First developed in Germany in the early 1900s, gummy candy achieved significant popularity in the United States during the 1980s. By 1996, sales in the U.S. had surged to over $135 million, reflecting its widespread consumer appeal. Gummy candy represents a relatively recent advancement in candy technology, emerging from early pectin and starch formulations. The concept was pioneered in Germany by Hans Riegel, the founder of Haribo, who created the first gummy bears in the 1920s. While gummy candy was produced throughout the 20th century, its global distribution was limited until the early 1980s. Haribo's introduction of gummy bears to the U.S. market spurred other major confectionery companies, such as Hershey, Brax, and Farley's, to develop their own gummy products. Today, gummy candies are available in a myriad of forms, from dinosaurs to fruit rolls, and it is estimated that nearly half of the world's gelatin production is used in gummy candy manufacturing. Raw materials. The creation of gummy candy involves a carefully curated blend of ingredients developed by food technologists and chemists to achieve the desired texture, taste, and appearance. The primary ingredients include water, gelatin, sweeteners, flavors, and colors. The cornerstone of gummy candy's chewy texture is a protein derived from animal collagen. When dissolved in water, it forms thick gels that are thermoreversible, meaning they can melt when heated and solidify when cooled. This property gives gummy candies their characteristic melt-in-the-mouth quality. The texture and dissolving time of the candy are controlled by varying the concentration of gelatin in the recipe. A mix of various sugars, such as sucrose, from sugarcane or beets, fructose, which is sweeter than sucrose, and corn syrup, are used to enhance the sweetness and texture of the candy. Corn syrup prevents crystallization, maintains moisture, adds body to the candy, and helps keep production costs low. Sorbitol is another sweetener used to help retain moisture and preserve the candy from microbial growth. Natural and artificial flavors are blended to create the distinctive taste of gummy candy. Natural flavors are derived from sources like fruits, berries, honey, and molasses. These flavors are often enhanced with artificial flavors, which are complex mixtures of aromatic chemicals such as methyl anthranilate and ethyl caproate. Acids like citric acid, lactic acid, and malic acid are added to provide a tangy flavor. To achieve the wide array of vibrant colors in gummy candies, dyes such as red number 40, yellow number 5, yellow number 6, and blue number 1 are used. These dyes are regulated to ensure safety and consistency in the final product. The textural properties of gelatin gels depend on factors like temperature, manufacturing methods, and pH levels, which are chemically controlled using food-grade acids like citric, lactic, fumaric, and malic acid. Additional ingredients such as beeswax, coconut oil, carnauba wax, mineral oil, partially hydrogenated soybean oil, pear concentrate, and confectioner's glaze are added to enhance flavor, lubrication, and shine. The manufacturing process. Gummy manufacturing uses a starch molding process. First, the candy is made, then it is filled into starched lined trays. The filled trays are then cooled overnight, and the resulting formed candy is emptied from the trays. In the mass production of gummy candy, significant improvements have been made to increase the speed and efficiency of this process. The manufacture of gummy candy begins with compounding. Factory workers, known as compounders, follow instructions outlined in the recipes and physically pour the appropriate amount of gummy raw materials into the main mixing tanks. These tanks, which are equipped with mixing, heating, and cooling capabilities, are quite large. Depending on the size of the batch, gummy candy compounding can take from 1 to 3 hours. When the batch is complete, it is sent to the quality control laboratory to make sure that it meets the required specifications. Forming candy. After the gummy candy is compounded and passes QC testing, it is either pumped or transferred to a starch molding machine known as a mogul. This machine can automatically perform the multiple tasks involved in making gummy candy. It is called a starch molding machine because starch is a main component. Making gummy candy in a mogul is a continuous process. At the start of the machine, trays that contain previously filled, cooled, and formed gummy candy are stacked. As they enter the starch buck, the trays are inverted and the gummy candy falls out into a vibrating metal screen known as a sieve. The vibrating action of the sieve, in concert with oscillating brushes, removes all of the excess starch that adheres to the gummy candy. These pieces then move along a conveyor belt to trays and placed into appropriate packaging. Quality control. Quality control is integral to gummy candy production, starting with the evaluation of raw materials. Ingredients are tested for sensory characteristics like appearance, color, odor, and flavor, as well as for physical properties such as particle size, viscosity, and pH. These tests ensure that each batch meets the high standards required for consistent quality. The final product undergoes rigorous testing for appearance, flavor, texture, and odor. From its origins in Germany to its global popularity today, gummy candy remains a beloved treat. The ongoing advancements in production techniques and quality control measures ensure that this confectionery marvel continues to delight consumers around the world. Modern technology is gradually changing the way we manufacture and consume gummy candy. Automation and advancements in technology have brought significant benefits, from increasing production efficiency to ensuring product quality. Implementing automation not only reduces dependence on labor, but also creates transparency and traceability of the product, from the production process to the hands of consumers. Furthermore, concerns about environmental protection and food safety are notable trends. Green technology and energy-saving measures are becoming top priorities in the gummy candy industry, helping to minimize waste and enhance the sustainability of the production process. Another trend is the development of health-friendly and highly creative gummy candy products. Using natural ingredients, reducing sugar and fat, and enhancing nutritional content have created new opportunities for manufacturers to explore and expand the market. Technological advancements, emphasis on environmental protection and food safety, along with the development of innovative and health-friendly products, will continue to shape the gummy candy industry in the future, benefiting both producers and consumers. That's all the information that we have for you today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's episode, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you never miss out on future episodes. And be sure to also tell us what you think about today's content. Everyone's support motivates us to continue delivering quality content and to always improve. As always, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.